vision board is where you cut paper and then you put it on a collage.
We're making a collage.
Welcome to Learning Leaves. Hello vlog. We are doing an experiment.
Well, we're doing a project. What kind of project are we doing today? Do you remember? We are going to do a vision board.
A vision board is where you cut paper and then you put it on a collage.
We're making a collage.
So I'm going to tell you what we have. We have scissors. We have glue. We have more glue. We have happy face, stickers. And the final thing, we have crayons.
We also have a bunch of newspaper clippings.
Yes, and we have paper. And plastic.
So the vision board, what are we gonna put on our vision board?
We're gonna put on stuff that we want to do
For the new year.
Yeah, for the new year.
So this is an easy project.
Yes.
Since New Year's is coming up, we're going
We're gonna do that.
We're gonna write out all the things that we want to do.
Yeah, we're gonna do that.
In the new year.
And the new year.
Alright, so first we're gonna start cutting
If you
out.
want to do this, just say it on the comments below. So, Mommy bought me this new sweater. I want to show you it. I'm gonna go. This. It looks like this. Oh.
Alright, so let's start cutting out. We can cut out letters, we can cut out different things we want to do. Okay?
So
So you want to start with this one?
yes.
Just different things that you want to do in the new year.
Just looking good.
It really is.
Oh, we need to just open this one. What do you mean? Oh, I have a better plan. I can stick this right here and close this, and then we're gonna do the year. We need to do this. Whoa, that's so cool. We have this. Okay, so do a lot of glue. Oh yes, I found it. I want this. Okay, I think my collage is done.
It's done?
Yes.
I like it. Okay, go show the camera. Go tell them what all you have on there, okay?
I have this on it.
Tell them what each thing is.
Whoa. This is fruit. This is a bee, and that is slime. And this is mommy and barbecue, and this is a basketball court and some stuff. And then that's just stuff. And then Paw Patrol. And then sleepy heads. Like a unicorn.
Mm-hmm.
Like a unicorn.
Yep.
And roll stuff. And then the final thing. Donuts and that.
All right, I have my collage done. This is my vision board for the next year. I have teach up here. I have a robe and slippers for self-care. This picture, I want to do more activities with Sophia. This is Learning League on the side. This says start your new project because I like doing projects. I want to see more of family. I hope we get into our new home. What else do I have? Baking. I love baking, so I want to do more of that. I want everybody's health to be good. I put success down here. Flowers, because I want to go to the Arboretum more. In-person activities. I want to be able to do some stuff. Celebrating our wedding and our birthdays in person. And then a salad because I want to start eating better and feeling better and being healthier. So this is my vision board. Okay. All right, so if you want to make these ones at home, they're really simple. Post a picture on our Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, showing us your vision boards for 2021.
And we're gonna write what day we made these.
And we're going to put them on our wall so that we know every day to shoot for these goals, right?
Yes.
All right. Everybody have a great night. Have a great New Year.